Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how to unsend an email on Outlook. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do when we jump into Outlook is go and click on the message that we would like to record. So of course this will be in our sent items. So we want to double click on it so that it opens in a new window. Now once we've got this message in a new window, we're going to go over to the right hand side and we're going to click on the three dots. Once we've clicked on the three dots, you can see you've got a couple options. We're going to look for actions and it'll open an additional drop down menu. Here, of course, we're looking for recall this message. Go ahead and click on that. All right, so you can see over here it says some recipients may have already read this message. So this will only be possible if whoever you've sent the message to has not yet opened the message. But if they have not yet opened the message, you can go ahead. It says, are you sure you want to? And then you're going to select delete unread copies of this message. If you'd like to replace that message with a new message, you can go and select the delete unread copies and replace with a new message, and go ahead and click on OK. You will now see just on the left hand side over here, it'll say you tried to recall this message, and it'll give you a date and a time. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.